When it comes to home improvements in Sumter, South Carolina, window replacement is a significant decision. Not only do new windows enhance a home's aesthetic appeal, but they also offer practical benefits, such as energy efficiency and increased comfort. However, one crucial factor often influences this decision: the local climate. Understanding how Sumter's climate affects window replacement choices can help homeowners make more informed, long-lasting decisions for their homes. Sumter's climate and its effects on home. Sumter, located in the heart of South Carolina, experiences a humid subtropical climate, characterized by hot summers, mild winters, and high humidity throughout the year. This type of climate can have a considerable impact on the performance of windows. During the summer months, temperatures often soar above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and the high humidity can cause condensation to form, leading to potential issues with energy efficiency and interior comfort. In the winter, temperatures remain relatively mild, but cold snaps can occasionally dip below freezing, requiring windows that can provide insulation and prevent drafts. These climate conditions make it crucial to choose windows that can handle both heat and humidity effectively. Homeowners need windows that can reduce heat gain during the summer and offer insulation during cooler months, ensuring their homes remain comfortable year-round. Energy efficiency. A key consideration. One of the most important considerations for window replacement in Sumter is energy efficiency. With the hot summers and high humidity, homeowners are often using air conditioning to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Poorly insulated or outdated windows can let in heat, causing HVAC systems to work harder and leading to higher energy bills. When selecting replacement windows, homeowners should focus on materials that provide superior insulation, such as double or triple paned windows with low E coatings. Low E glass helps reduce heat transfer, keeping indoor temperatures consistent while preventing excess solar heat from entering the home. This is particularly important in Sumter, where high summer temperatures can cause air conditioners to work overtime. Energy-efficient windows can help homeowners save on energy costs while also reducing their carbon footprint. Additionally, windows with proper weather stripping and sealing are essential in minimizing air leakage, which can lead to drafts and reduced indoor comfort. Investing in high-quality window installations can make a noticeable difference in energy bills and overall comfort. Impact of humidity. Humidity is another major factor in window selection. Sumter's humid climate means that windows must be resistant to moisture and potential mold buildup. Wooden windows, while traditional and attractive, can be vulnerable to warping and rot over time when exposed to high humidity. On the other hand, vinyl and fiberglass windows are highly resistant to moisture, making them ideal choices for homes in Sumter. Vinyl windows, in particular, are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements. They won't warp, crack, or peel in response to humidity, making them a long-lasting option for homeowners who want to avoid frequent window repairs or replacements. Fiberglass windows also provide excellent resistance to moisture while offering enhanced insulation properties. UV protection and window coating. Another concern for Sumter homeowners is UV rays. The intense sunlight during the summer months can cause fading to interior furniture, flooring, and fabrics. Windows with special UV blocking coatings can significantly reduce the amount of harmful UV rays entering the home. This helps protect interiors from sun damage and extends the life of furnishings. Low-E windows, which reflect UV light, are a great choice for homeowners looking to preserve the appearance of their home's interior while keeping their space cooler. These windows not only help with energy efficiency but also protect valuable belongings from the fading effects of the sun. Choosing the right window style. Finally, the style and functionality of the window should suit both the climate and the homeowner's needs. For homes in Sumter, windows that promote airflow, such as double-hung or sliding windows, can be beneficial during the mild winters. These types of windows allow for easy ventilation, which is important for maintaining indoor air quality during the cooler months. Additionally, windows with larger glass areas may be ideal for homeowners who want to maximize natural light and enjoy views of Sumter's beautiful landscape. However, it's important to balance the desire for larger windows with energy-efficient options to ensure that the home remains comfortable despite the extreme heat of summer. Conclusion. When replacing windows in Sumter, homeowners should consider the climate as a critical factor in their decision-making process. From energy efficiency and insulation to moisture resistance and UV protection, the right windows can help improve comfort, reduce energy costs, and protect the home from the elements. By choosing the right window materials, styles, and features, Sumter residents can enhance the performance and longevity of their homes while making a long-term investment in both energy savings and aesthetic appeal.